Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD British Pound US Dollar for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, Gold USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex sentiment meter in front of us right now. You will find it on my website avilashhazarika.com under the Forex 101 section. We have the same sentiment just like the Euro USD in GBP USD as well. We can see that here is our beloved GBP USD and 22%, only 22% retail traders have taken short position or they have taken sell position thinking that market will be going down. On the other hand, 77% retail traders have taken long position hoping that market would be going up. And the average, buying price, you can see that it's 1.3547. Okay, and 1.3547. This is the average buying price where they have taken buy position. Okay, and this is the chart of GBP USD in front of us. You can clearly see that market is in heavy downtrend right now, and this is the main reason why 90% retail traders lose money. So my dear friends, if you have a buy position GBP USD, then please observe the market carefully next week. If you see market trying to recover, okay, then hold your position. But on the other hand, if fresh selling starts in the market, then please exit from your position, because this is your hard-earned money and it is your responsibility to protect it. Nobody will come to protect your hard-earned money. So please listen to me. So let's try to understand what is going on in the chart of GBP USD. What are the best trading opportunities for us? So first of all, let's look at the chart of DXY US dollar. As we all know, after the CPI report, market became extremely bullish. So this is the chart of DXY here, and you can see that market is very bullish right now under the heavy dominance of buyers. So in a market condition like this, after this huge uptrend, there is a possibility, yes, there is a possibility of going for a consolidation or some correction. We may see some correction in the next week on DXY. And if this happens, or if the correction happens or market starts going down little bit DXY, okay, then we may see some recovery on GBP USD, because there is a correlation. When US dollar goes up, GBP USD goes down. When dollar goes down, we see GBP USD going up. So if dollar goes for correction or some consolidation, okay, then GBP USD may see some recovery. But apart from this recovery, we do not have any prominent resistance on DXY right now, so be careful. And this is the chart of GBP USD. You can see that I have few lines here. Okay, the line at the top is not relevant at all, and these two lines are important for us, and there should not be any doubt in our mind that the trend of the market is extremely bearish right now. And as we all know, the trend is our friend. It means that if a market is in downtrend, we should mainly look for buying opportunities, and if a market is in uptrend, we should mainly look for buying opportunities, and if a market is in downtrend, we should mainly look for selling opportunities. Because see, in uptrend market, number of buyers are higher, and in downtrend market, number of sellers are higher. Okay, so in this market, number of sellers are high. As a result, we will mainly look for selling opportunities. Okay, otherwise, if we stand against the trend of the market, then obviously there is a high risk of losing money. And if you are a beginner, new trader, then please listen to my suggestion and look for selling opportunities only. But if you have been trading for a couple of years, if you have got some experience, then you can go for buy. Okay. So the first trading opportunity that I see on the chart of GBP USD is, if US dollar goes for consolidation, then we may see some correction, or sorry, we may see some recovery on GBP USD. So if GBP USD goes up from here, then please observe the market at this trend line, because you can see that this trend line has been acting as a dynamic resistance for the market. or in simple words, whenever market is trying to go up, it is facing selling pressure at the trend line. Okay, so there is a possibility of market reversing. There is a possibility of market reversing from the trend line, and if market reverses from the trend line, we can take a sell position. And on the other hand, yes, on the other hand, if market fails to go up and starts going down again, if the selling pressure continues in the market again, then what you can do is that you can wait for the market to break the level of 1.3350. So if market breaks the level of 1.3350, we will consider this as a new breakout in the market, fresh selling in the market, and then you can take a sell position. You can take a sell position below 1.3350 level. Okay. And most importantly, those who have taken a buy position earlier, you should be exiting as well. Okay. So keep your eyes on GBP USD. If market goes up and reverses from the trend line, go for a sell position. And on the other hand, if it fails to go up and starts going down and breaks the level of 1.3350, you can also take a sell position. And if we go to the 15 minutes chart, you can see that we have no scalping opportunity as well, and in the higher time frame also we hardly have any trading opportunity. So only two trading opportunities or safe trading opportunities that I see and I have shared. Hopefully you have understood. And my dear friends, this is the Pro Trader program I have launched around 2 months ago, where I share the best trading opportunities in the market, plus I share one or two live signals every day. Okay. I do not share many signals, one or two, but they are good with high accuracy. And most importantly, I properly explain what is the reason of the trade so that you can also learn as well. If you're interested in knowing about the Pro Trader program, just go to my website. Under the Pro Trader section, you'll find all the information. So if you're interested, let me know. Bye bye, take care, see ya on Monday.